Okay guys, here are all of our amazing suits. We have everything from, little girls. This is so adorable. We have this is my favorite suit. Actually, hold on. I'll show you my favorite. This is my favorite suit. Number one, because look at these buttons, they bling. And number two, because black and white is so genuine. I love me some black and white. We're here at the venue. This is where I will be showing. We have the giant logo back there. So gorgeous in here. I'm super excited. I can't wait. So I'll see you on the runway.
Well, Bruiser, today is a very special day. Why, you ask? Well, not only is it Thursday, and Thursday is our Pink Mochaccino Frat Day on the secret menu at Starbucks, of course, but it's also the day if we find out if we made the J14 magazine Best New Designer contest.
Look, there's that Ella Woods girl over there. She's always in the playground just talking to her dog or making clothes or whatever.
My cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rap, watch you dress. I'm so possessive, so I don't kiss my head possess.
Hey everyone, it's Isabella Barrett. I'm here with some of our amazing models, and we use safety from today.
My hair feels so soft with this product. My curl is holding so tight, and it provides great heat protection.
Yes, so be sure to check out Safety From. They're one of our amazing sponsors here at Fashion Week. Bye! Hey guys, we're here backstage at the 2021 New York Fashion Week powered by Society. Woo!
So excited.
So these are some of my gorgeous models. I'm super excited, but we're gonna go try to get a sneak peek of the stage. So let's go try to do that. So there's some stairs over there, so we're gonna see if we can do that. Okay, go. Yay, come on.